Okay, everybody. Apparently I thought there was one bar left. Apparently there's two. I almost thought this was another Snickers knockoff. But no, it's a caramel and nougat bar, which means it's a knockoff Milky Way. So we're going to do a test run of the knockoff Milky Way. Let's see how this one goes. Now, I admit, the last one I tried was good. How this one does, I don't know. Anyway, it was the knockoff Twix. Those were good. Easy to chew, but it's really, really lacking flavor. It's like the knockoff Snickers, except easier to chew, obviously. But no funny taste. But you can barely taste it though. That's not good. Yeah, so far the knockoff Twix is hands down the best. I'll only put it above the knockoff Snickers because it's easy to chew. That knockoff Snickers took some jaw strength to chew that one. I tell you how cheap they were on this though. There's like no flavor. I don't know.